Low coastal clouds will be rolling in later tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night's lows will and breezy through Wednesday with a chance of
Well, we are in Russellville, Arkansas. It's Saturday afternoon about noon. We did our first drive in the new truck. Went from Tulsa to Russellville, about 200 miles. Truck drives nice. Drives like a new truck. The inside of the cab is not much different than the other one. I got a digital dash. The interior is black as opposed to the gray. The refrigerator's different, which I like that. It's a pull out as opposed to pull to the side. So I think you can put more food in there, and the freezer's definitely bigger. These curtains right here are insulated. They're actually thicker than the ones on the other truck, so it really keeps the heat in there. And they close all the way, which is nice. On the old one, they wouldn't close all the way. That's about it on the inside, to tell you the truth. Picked up at that mine in Arizona, delivered in McKinney. McKinney is literally 12 miles from my parents' house. We were supposed to deliver on a Thursday. I was able to get that load there Wednesday and got unloaded like at noon. I asked my DM if it was okay to spend the night at my parents' house on Wednesday, get up in the morning and roll to Tulsa, and that's exactly what we did. Got up to Tulsa on Thursday around noon, got assigned this truck, swapped everything over. They gave me this load around 3 o'clock yesterday, but it doesn't pick up till Monday. And we are about 5 miles from where we have to pick up. We're at a pilot and it's literally 5 miles away. I did not feel like spending the weekend at the shipper because I've never been there before. I don't even know what that place necessarily looks like. And I just didn't feel like doing it. I did that last week in Mesa, Arizona, spent the weekend at the consignee. So I didn't feel like doing that this time, and I don't think I need to, but we'll get over there Monday, get loaded, and we're going to Cheyenne, Wyoming. What I want to do today is there's a Walmart right over there about a mile away. I want to disconnect from our trailer, and I want to bobtail over there, and I need some fruit and some vegetables, just some stuff to stock up on. And it's supposed to rain, so I don't know that I'm gonna ride my bike. Tomorrow might be a nicer day. I'm gonna look and see where to ride my bike.
You walked in and I thought, here we go. One look and I am all but sober. I forget that I've been here before. And suddenly you're all I see. The situation, it gets me frustrated. It's all in my head. I fall in love way too easily. I always need to remind myself nothing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush.
What a beautiful day. Could be just a tad warmer and a little bit more sun, but I'm certainly not gonna complain. There's more trail that way, and I wanna go do that before I call it a day and ride back.
You said hi and I thought, here we go. Can you tell that I am all but sober? Never realized my friends went home. Suddenly you're all I need. The situation, it gets me frustrated. It's all in my head. I fall in love way too easily. I always need to remind myself nothing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush. I know that it's just a crush, but I always read way too much into it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush. 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 I know it's just a crush. 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 I know that it's just a crush. But I always read way too much into stuff. The thing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just
Whew, man, this is an awesome trail. Russellville, Arkansas. You got a good trail system over here. This lake over here is called the Illinois Bayou, and really, literally behind me is I-40, and we're way over there. We're about, I don't know, 15 miles or so from where my truck is parked over there at that pilot. This is a great trail system over here. You guys can send me here anytime.